Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Deloitte hiring process 24 to 25. In the particular video, we will discuss about Deloitte all hiring roles and salary on and off campus hiring process. One of the most important point in the all top MNC hiring series video, we already completed 7 videos of top MNC including Infosys, HCL Tech, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Capgemini, TCS and Accenture. Now this is a Deloitte hiring process video. One most important point, one hiring is still active from Deloitte, okay, that is a analyst learning operation Hyderabad. So if you are from 24, 23, 22, 21, 2020 batch, you can apply for opportunity. They clearly mention 0 to 5 years can apply, okay. So let's start the video and we will discuss about Deloitte hiring process. Okay, so because many of the 2025 batch candidates are asking about like what about the hiring process, okay, previous hiring process. So let's start. So as we know that Deloitte hired two different way, off campus and on campus. On campus will totally depends on your college which hiring they will conduct, okay. Off campus hiring is generally Deloitte NLA, that is a national level hiring, okay, that is a national level hiring, okay, and Deloitte OTN, that is a open talent network. It is also one of the one of the hiring is from Deloitte, okay. There is a boot camp related program in which there is a boot camp, but national level hiring is a direct hiring. You can say that you have to clear the assessment, okay, and after clearing the interview there is a training and after that you fully join that. But in the OTN there is a some training or boot camp, we can say that, but this year if they consider totally depends on them. Third hiring is Hedged-in recruitment. Hedged-in is a company by Deloitte, okay. You can search on Google, okay, you can search on Google, you will see that Hedged-in is a company by Deloitte, okay. And Deloitte role based hiring. What is a role based hiring? Role based hiring is this, that is posted on the portal, or you can say that portal related hiring, okay, like basically careers portal related hiring. So there is a salary in between 4 to 5 LPA, totally depends on them, but 4 LPA plus is the salary. Analyst, trainee, associate analyst, that is BCA, BSc, risk and financial advisory, open talent network. These are the most roles in the Deloitte examination or Deloitte hiring. This is the Deloitte hiring process. What is the status of current batch? If I'm talking about 21, 22, 23 batch hiring, if I'm talking about national level and OTN, the all hirings are completed. I will show all the proofs, okay. If I'm talking about 24 batch, so national level assessment and OTN is completed. 25 batch hiring is still not announced. We are waiting for the 2025 batch, okay. But if I'm talking about 2020 to 24 batch, so the role based hiring is ongoing, okay. You can see that on portal there are hirings, okay, and you can, I already shared in the video that on the LinkedIn, okay, on LinkedIn you can search, okay, and apply for job opportunity that is related to different role and for freshers, okay. So this is a NLA, this is the first hiring, that is a national level assessment, okay. It is a engineering track for BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, CSIT. You can see that 2024 batch is here and result declared. Thank you for participating. So 2024 NLA is already completed. The registration process of NLA is registration, shortlisting on basis of your resume, okay, and online assessment will be there, online interview and final result. If you are from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, you can apply for opportunity. This is one of the hiring for the analyst role, okay. There is a associate analyst hiring, that is a undergraduate hiring. This is also NLA, okay, but this is for BCA and BSc, okay, BSc and BCA. Qualification is 24, BCA and BSc, associate analyst is the role. This hiring is already completed for the 2024 batch, okay. So one most important point, this is a NLA and NLA is remaining for the 2025 batch. Just we have to wait for some time, okay. They will announce the hiring as soon as possible. Let's discuss about one OTN hiring, that is process trainee OTN USI campus. This is a boot camp related hiring, BE BTech 2023 batch. So you can see that this is a OTN for the 2023 2023 batch. If I'm talking about the basically 2023 batch hiring, okay, so you will see that this is a Deloitte national hiring. It is on January 5th 2023, and you will see that it is a 2023 batch. Okay, so one most important point that first like national level assessment is back. First OTN is completed, that is a analyst trainee. Okay, and one most important point that I have to again mention, the salary will be depends on Deloitte. There is a salary of in between 4 to 6 LPA. Okay, 4 LPA plus is the most probably salary is 4 LPA plus, but if in some of the other role if they provide the 6 LPA, so it will totally depends on them. Okay, so this is related to that. If you search the particular playlist, so you will find the analyst trainee, many branches is eligible. Okay, 1 year ago I posted this opportunity. Let's check out what about this hiring. Okay, let's check out. So one most important point. Okay, so off campus drive 2023. Okay, so Deloitte USI, okay, is hiring for analyst risk and financial advisory 2023 graduate. Okay, BE BTech cyber security computer. So you will see that this is related to analyst risk and financial. The average earning potential for role is 6 lakh per annum. Okay, so that's the most important thing that I mentioned. In the analyst trainee associate analyst, there is a package of 4 LPA or 3 LPA, but risk and financial advisory 6 LPA is the salary. Okay, you will see on my screen that analyst trainee risk and financial advisory 6 LPA is the package, and this is the timeline. So we can say that 2025 batch 2023 batch hiring is already completed. Okay, let's discuss about the Hedged-in recruitment, that is a Hedged-in by Deloitte company. Hiring alert for freshers 23 and 24 batch off campus 2 months ago. Hedged-in Deloitte is hiring freshers for internship. If you are anyone connection for Hedged-in, can register for off campus drive. Trainee engineer intern plus full time opportunity, trainee engineer QA analyst and SDET 1. BE BTech ME MTech MCA MSc with no active backlog. This is the selection process of Hedged-in. Okay, so Hedged-in 2023-2024 batch hiring is already completed, and we are eagerly waiting for the 2025 batch hiring. Okay, so if I am talking about the salary again, okay, so we don't have to be confused in salary. Like it is a 4 to 6 LPA most probably. In the analyst trainee or associate analyst, the salary is very 3 to 4 LPA or other, but in the risk and financial advisory 6 LPA is the salary. Okay, if I'm talking about the open talent network, so it is also completed for 24 batch. You can see on my screen OTN is already completed for the 2024 batch. Okay, in which BE BTech can apply. That's why I mentioned in that NLA and OTN is completed and 25 batch hiring is still not announced. Okay, one most important point that I have to mention, previously 1 year ago we already made lot of videos how to start preparation, free preparation, technical MCQ, coding question, as well as for the 2024 batch NLA we already made lot of videos, so no need to worry about that. We will same continue for the 2025 batch. This is a Deloitte exam process for 2024 batch NLA, in which you have time duration of 95 minutes, 65 question in the MCQ, 2 question in the live programming coding format. The test is divided into 5 sections: English, general aptitude, reasoning and quants, technical MCQ and technical skills coding. For each section you will get dedicated time duration. Okay, particular section के लिए अलग अलग time होगा. Once you move to the section ahead, you will not able to come back to previous. The 5 section will varies 4 different varieties of question are explaining above. So coding की तैयारी, you have to start your coding preparation. Okay, you have to you have to start your aptitude preparation, means you have to continue your coding preparation and aptitude preparation. There is a language skill, English section is very important, and there is a technical MCQ in the Deloitte. Okay, so you will definitely crack the examination. You have to start your preparation for the topics. We already provided lot of videos. Okay, you how to create resume, exam pattern and syllabus, free preparation. Our team member Sagnik already cracked the Deloitte hiring opportunity, Deloitte NLA in the 2022 year. Okay, so he will provide the videos same for the 2025 batch. This is 2023 preparation, this is 2024. So guys, if you have any queries regarding Deloitte exam, you can ask in the comment section. We are like working for all of you, so you can follow us on Instagram for the latest update. This is a Deloitte process, okay? And we don't have to confuse in the salary. There is a like totally depends on the Deloitte team, but we will provide the free preparation videos for the 2025 batch. Thanks for watching the video.